Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and we are looking at 117 Pleasant Street, Apartment 2 in New Bedford, Massachusetts. This is a second floor, 3-bedroom apartment located in the downtown area of New Bedford. We are in the main dining kitchen room area. As you can see, we have the nice faux wood panel floors. Straight ahead, we have a little serving table next to the fireplace centerpiece that splits the living room and dining kitchen area. To the left here, we have our gas stove with plenty of overhead cabinet space and cabinet space below with a nice granite countertop. The sink is located right to the left of the entrance with a tile backsplash, both behind the stove and the sink. Moving on to the first bedroom. This is a carpeted bedroom with a closet. All bedrooms do have closets. This is the smaller of the 3 bedrooms, ideal for a kid's room or an extra office space. Moving on to the bathroom area. As you can see, the faux panel floors continue throughout. We have a small tub and shower here. And then we have the sink with medicine cabinet. Moving back out, we're going to take a look at the second bedroom. Again, all of the bedrooms have their own closets, as you can see here. Again, a small little room, ideal for a kid's room, office, or extra storage. Here we have the living room parlor section of the apartment. You see nice natural light coming through the windows. We have the gas space heater to keep the apartment nice and warm during the cold seasons. And coming into the last bedroom here, this one has a folding door closet, and we have the fire escape right outside the window there. This is the largest of the 3 rooms. And this property is managed by Nexus Property Management. So you do have benefits such as an online login where you can contact staff and make rent payments online. We also offer services like key copying, and you have access to a 24-hour maintenance hotline number for all your emergency repair needs. Again, this is 117 Pleasant Street, Apartment 2 in New Bedford, Massachusetts.